lost in night, in the wood, shadows fight. Arms take gold, can't take flight. Power's gone, nothing's right. Cauldron cold, no more fire. Potions fail, dreams expire. Spirits whisper, call me liar. In the dark, lost desire. Purchase cry, echo loud. Through the fog, through the shroud. Mystic force, once so proud, now just whispers in the crowd.
Babalan TV.
Hello Sagittarius! Welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for February the 8th to February the 14th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, which is pwede kayong magtanong, doon po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Ayan. So, meron din po dong readings for February the 8th to February the 14th. So, ibang readings po yun, ha? So, kung wala dito ang inyong, kung hindi kayo nakaka-resonate dito, baka nandun po ang inyong reading. I want you to know that this is a general reading. So, you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with just a few. No, take what's only yours. So, Sagittarius, magsimula na tayo. So, bakit parang merong ikaw palagi, no? Parang either ikaw ang target ng pag-iisip nila, so ikaw ang paksa, no? Pwedeng pinag-uusapan ka ng mga tao, it could be friends, but I am also seeing in here na meron taong parang hindi ka mawaglit, no? Sa kanyang isipan. Wala siyang ibang bukang bibig kung hindi ikaw. Pagkagising sa umaga, ikaw ang naiisip. Bago matulog, ikaw ang naiisip. And in between, no? Baka kapag naliligo siya, ang ginagawa niya pag naliligo, baka the daydream na magkasama kayo sa batis, naliligo sa dagat. Diba? Paano? Pa-demure. Kung buhay pagkakaibigan, no? I feel like literal na kaibigan. I feel like itong mga kasama niyo sa circle, I feel hindi siya lahat totoo. Merong mangilan-ngilan, no? Pero meron din na mangilan-ngilan na, patagong hindi ka gusto, no? Or patagong naninira sa'yo. Kung ito ay buhay, trabaho, no? When it comes to your work, I feel like the same. No, there may be, parang casual lang itong inyong pagkakilala, of course, because of professionalism, especially if you work in corporate, no? Of course, you have to be very professional, pero deep inside, malaki ang galit nito, no? Pwede ring malaki ang galit kung buhay mag-asawa, no? Itong, o hindi naman ganun kalaki. Sabihin natin ayaw ka, no? May taong ayaw sa'yo inside of the family. Pero ganun pa man, no? Mas pinipili mong maging malaking, or the bigger person, malaking tao. You want to become a bigger person, no? Which means na parang okay lang, hindi naman malaking kawalan, no? Or wag nyo lang ako sasaktan ng physical, no? Pero I think na Sagittarius, kilala mo ito, no? When it also comes to romantic relationship, no? I feel like meron naman tao na parang gustong-gusto, almost as if na parang meron na tong obsession, no, para sa'yo. With the Temperance, I feel like itong taong to, when it comes to romantic, medyo mapilit na siya, no? May demand na, no, parang meron ng pagbabawal. So, siguro okay lang ang pagbabawal. Siguro, it depends on the situation, no? Kung meron kayong, sabihin nating mutual agreement na ganun ang mangyayari, especially for those kasal na, I think that's okay, no? O meron din kayong mutual agreements kung kayo na, no? Pero kung this is without consent, parang medyo sumosobra, no? I feel like wala pa naman ako nakikitang abused, pero parang ang sayo, Tama ba na nandito ako sa isang sitwasyon na oo, mahal nga ako, pero I feel like sobra, no? Parang sobra. I might be reading for you, I might be reading for your person. Baka sabihin niyo, ay naku, medyo nagpalit po yata, no? Ako po yata yung nasa kabila. That's okay. What I am reading is the dynamic. So parang lumalabas na yung totoong kulay. Hindi naman ganun kasama. Medyo may kahigpitan lang, no? When it comes to sa trabaho, yun nga din lumalabas na yung pagiging totoong kulay nila, pagkakaroon ng totoong kulay. So parang ikaw, willing pa ba ako makipag-mingle? So I think professionally wise, kung meron lang siguro kung project or meetings, ganun na lang. Pero much better kung iiwasan ko na lang. I think that that is, or baka that's what's on your thought, no? Kung buhay pamilya naman nito, wag ko na lang sigurong pansinin para wala nang gulo. No, with the two of swords. Chances are we also have a plan of siguro lumayo. Lumayo which means lumayo in a way na lumipat ng bahay, kung buhay pamilya. Kung trabaho, hindi naman siguro paglipat ng company, no? Siguro iniisip mo, baka one way or another, kung hindi siya ako, no, sana siya na lang, no? Or kung buhay relationship naman, romantic, sana matigil na, no? Yung ganitong, kasi parang nakakasakal. With the devil card, I think like mas lalo kang pinoprovoke, no, nitong mga taong to, especially when it comes to family members, parang sinasagad nila ang pasensya mo. So, ikaw naman, hindi mo alam, ano ba, lalaban na ba ako? Tatayo na ba ako sa sarili kong paa? Kailangan ko na bang magsungit? Baka mahapyaw-hapyaw na rin ang ating mga pagsusungit dito. When it comes to relationship, parang sinasabi mo naman dito na medyo umaalma tayo, di ba? Nakapagsalita na rin tayo somehow with the Seven of Swords. Kaya minsan, no, natututo tayong maglihim, no? Kasi because of the sobrang higpit, dahil ayaw ka naman niyang papayagan, so kung ano-ano na lang din ang dahilan mo, which in fact wala ka namang ibang ginagawa. Minsan, siguro iniisip natin na, what if kung gawin ko na lang kaya? Para at least, totoo yung sinasabi, no? With the Hanged Woman and the Ten of Pentacles, parang yung guards mo are all up right now. Parang sinasabi natin dito na, parang feeling ko wala siyang gagawing, wala akong ginagawang tama sa kanya, kaya feeling ko purong atake, no? So, the magician in here, wala pa naman dito yung part na totally I hate the person. I don't like the person's actions towards me or approach towards our connection, whatever kind of connection would that be. Ang sabi mo lang dito is sana lang talaga magbago with the Nine of Cups. That's your only wish. Kasi somehow, hindi naman natin mababago, no? Or mas okay lang din naman nandyan sila. Ang gusto mo lang meron kang peace of mind. Ang gusto mo lang meron tayong kahit papano, time para sa sarili natin, time para makapagtrabaho ng tahimik, time para hindi tayo nasisita, no? Yung with the Chariot in here to surpass all these challenges, with the Four of Wands, parang at the end of the day, at one point in time, no, parang kailangan naman namin mag-work together, whether as a group, sa trabaho, as a family, no? Bakit nagkakaroon ng ganito? Siguro that's one of your questions. Ano ba yung sobrang ayaw nila sa akin kahit wala naman akong ginagawa with the Queen of Cups? You're probably trying to observe yourself, trying to understand where they're coming from. Pero talagang yung puso mo, alam mo sa sarili mo na ang tanging ginagawa mo lang is somehow ibigay yung best, no? With the King of Swords, I feel like someone here is really cutthroat na medyo talagang yung pasensya mo is talagang nasasagad na. Kasi itong taong to is matabil ang dila, no? May magaspang ang dila, ayan. Pasmado ang bunganga, sabi nga ng mga Gen Z ngayon. Now with the Judgment and the Four of Pentacles. What I am seeing in here is, I think that you are going to keep everything to yourself as of the moment. nandun pa rin yung pagtitimpi, pero parang sinasagad nga tayo. I hope na, wag tayong mag-give in dito sa mga emotions, no, na baka lalong makasira. Pero hopefully sana sila din, no, sana din maintindihan nila where you are coming from, and I believe na wala ka namang ginagawang masama dito. What you're trying to do is probably having a me time, no, for yourself. Pero ganun pa ba? Kudos kasi ika nga, no, ikaw ang bigger person dito, no, Sagittarius. So, let's get some more cards. Sagis, gusto ko lang pong ipaalala sa inyo na dun po sa ating kabilang channel, Babaylan TV. Nagla-live po tayo doon. Pwede kayong sumali, pwede kayong magtanong, no? Kung hindi nyo po naaabutan, pwede naman kayong magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. Ayan. So, kung hindi naman kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot lang, dumiretso na po kayo doon sa ating website. There is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, question form, amount per question, name, number, QR code for your reference. I also created a 4 questions plus 1, so take advantage of it. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya, no, sa ating description box. So, Sagis, the cat. So parang nandito ka na rin medyo may pagtataray because probably you're independent, no? Parang sinasabi nila dito ay kung sa totoo naman, hindi mo sila kailangan. I feel like kung meron man taong mas may kailangan dito, sila yun, hindi ikaw. Pero katulad ng sinabi natin, you're becoming a bigger person, mas pinipili mo maging independent, tahimik, and sensitive, no? Kasi parang palapit pa lang sila, naku, eto na naman, trouble na naman. But as the cat does, no, trying to move forward, bahala kayo dyan, nonchalant ako. Let's get a message from the universe. You are so much closer to a powerful breakthrough than you may realize. You have been praying for things to heal, new opportunities to appear, relationships to improve, and these prayers will be answered soon. So, I think that you're doing the right thing. Kasi sinabi nga ng universe dito, no, ng message is one way or another, things will come to manifestations, and yung harmony na hinahanap ninyo is mapapasa inyo. Instead of patulan baka lalong lumaki, lumayo pa, no, itong malapit na sanang pagkakaroon ng harmony. Kaya naman, no? Kaya naman as long as wag ka lang gagalitin kasi iba rin magalit si Sagittarius, no? Wag ka lang sagarin. Pero ayun na nga, nasasagad tayo. Stretch more patience pa, no? So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. If this is your person or those people, no, na involved. This may be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I am seeing Taurus, Libra, Leo, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Virgo, Capricorn. Yan. So this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.